welcome to my channel. Today is the first one of the Shop My Stash 2026 hosted by Lorie at Enchanted Dream 71. Pop along and see her channel, and there's a link below and what you need to do. It's once a month, and basically she gives you a prompt, which this time it's side tucks, and you need to use your stash. And I'm still got this journal. It's been going a few years, but I'm gradually making things for it, so it's getting there slowly. And this time I thought I would do, I'm doing a couple of side tucks. I'll do one on this page, and I'm using up some of the scraps I've had from making various bits and pieces in here. So that's the scraps, and what I've done, I've already cut a piece here, which I need to, I'm going to try this scorched timber. I bought this before Christmas. It's quite dark, but I'm thinking it will show up a bit better on these. Quite liking that. Oh, that's not very straight, is it? Straighten that up. There. So I would have had some videos out by now from Christmas, but this is actually one I'm making while I'm on a break. Okay, so that's the base for the side tuck, and then what I've done, I've got this 3-inch tag punch, and again using some of these scraps, I'm punching out some tags. So they fit quite nicely on these. I'm just going to do a couple and show you. There we go. And I need another one. What have we got? Something a bit more. I already have punched all this lot as well, as you can see here. So what have I got on there? I think I've got the birds already, haven't I? Oh no, not quite. No, I will do these birds. Thought I had them. There we go. And what I've got to do now is ink around these tags very quickly. Okay, I've inked all around them, and now I'm going to take them two at a time and lay them down so they're on the top. This is the decoration for it, like that. And then I'll pull that one up a little bit further. There. So I just need to glue these down. And then these on top. And then I'll carry on. Move that over a bit. I'm just using the bottom as the base. And as you can see, because they're decorated, they're double-sided rather, you've got the same on that side. So what I'll do now is get on with gluing them all down. Okay, so that's all done. I just now need to stick it to the page. So I'm just, going to glue. I haven't got much glue in here. I'm hoping it will last the video because I keep forgetting to, and there's not a lot in this one either. I keep forgetting to fill them up, and then I go to do something, and there we go, that's better. And I've got no glue. Okay, that'll be enough at the top. So I'm just going to put this on here. And this is a side tuck. So I've even used a punch that I haven't used that often. I have started using it by punching out some scraps from things. When I've got scraps, I've been punching out some tags. I think I mentioned that in a previous video, which is a much better idea of using up your scraps, because then I've got ready-made, especially if it's double-sided. There, that's the first one. Okay, on to the next one. This, I was inspired by Positive Thanks Living. I've got one of the other things I haven't been using a lot is some of my graphics fairy. I've got a subscription there and I haven't used it much. So I decided I needed to start using it during Christmas break. So I went through everything, and these are some marble end bookmarks. Now I'm going to make a side tuck from a couple of these. So I first of all need to cut these out. Okay, I've done that, and I've chosen these two. To start off with, I'm cutting off the bottom. They are so high, so it will fit the page. Okay, I keep these bits as well. I haven't asked, are you all well? Is everybody okay in the new year? My daughter ended up quite ill over Christmas with this flu-y thing. However, she's got through it, and thank goodness we haven't got it here. So I'm going to glue, see, it's quite straightforward and simple. I'm gluing these two together. Okay, to start off with, I'm gluing down here and along here to the end, and then I'm gluing on this bit here. I've filled my glues up and I've come to the end of a lot of the refillable bottles. Right, and I'm going to put that on there. Like that. It's as simple as that. And then you've got two side tucks, and obviously ink it all up. Okay, so this all glued, and I've got a pocket here. I would put it onto here like this. I'd glue across there and across there, and then you have a pocket in the middle here, like that, and a pocket at the back as well. So it would go like that. Okay, so that's just a very simple, easy one to do. So this is the third one, and I've already got a piece of card cut ready to size, and this was a strip of some Tim Holtz fabric that came tied around some other fabric. And what I want to do is ruffle this up. Ouch, just prick myself with the pin. Start it upside down because I want this end. So I'm just going to put some glue down here and then just gently ruffle it up. Using my spatula. Like this. Right, I've done that. Oops. And I now need to decorate it. And what I've got is some of these circles. And I've got these kind of milk cap. Well, I've got butterflies as well. Oh, that looks quite nice, doesn't it? Not butterflies, that's a bee. Ooh. Okay, I'm thinking these might be nicer on here. There. And there's the end there, top up there. Or the milk bottle. If I can find another bee, yes. Is it a similar bee? Maybe something like that for some. I'm not keen on that one. No, I like that one with the writing on there. Okay, I'm just going to stick these down now. No, I'm not. I'm going to ink round them before I stick them down. I've glued all them down and ink round them, and I'm just going to put this word kindness from Tim Holtz. I always put extra glue on as well through the middle there. There. Now I'll show you what I've done. We've got this one we put in here. Now that would be quite a good one to go in here. I think I might put that one in there anyway. But for now, that's one we've made. I've then made this one, which you would glue either end and can put a card in there. And then I've also made this one, where we have two pockets here and here, so you'd be able to put them in like that. So there's my 3 side tucks for the Shop My Stash 2026 challenge. I hope you've enjoyed that and given you some ideas about using up what you've got. Thanks a lot. Please don't forget to hit the like button and any other buttons that are there. Thank you so much for coming along. Bye.